The lawsuit between Elon Musk and OpenAI is really heating up. OpenAI just dropped a new blog post defending itself against Musk that outlines some new text messages between co-founders Ilya Sutskever, Greg Brockman, Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and former board member Siobhan Zilis. You can't sue your way to AGI, the OpenAI blog post reads, referring to artificial general intelligence, which Altman has promised soon. We have great respect for Elon's accomplishments and gratitude for his early contributions to OpenAI, but he should be competing in the marketplace rather than the courtroom. It is critical for the U.S. to remain the global leader in all. Our mission is to ensure AGI benefits all of humanity, and we have been and will remain a mission-driven organization. We hope Elon shares that goal and will uphold the values of innovation and free market competition that have driven his own success. The blog also highlights Musk's attempts to maneuver into the CEO position and gain majority control of the company, though it adds that on one call, Musk said he didn't care about equity, but just needed to accumulate $80 billion for a city on Mars. Musk also proposed that OpenAI spin into Tesla, which has been previously revealed. When the negotiations fell apart because OpenAI's co-founders rejected his proposal, Brockman and Sutskever admitted they had fears of a power struggle. Musk resigned from the company. The blog said that after Musk resigned, he hosted a goodbye all hands with the team where he encouraged them to pursue the path we saw to raising billions per year, and that he would pursue advanced AI research at Tesla, which was the only vehicle he believed could obtain this level of funding. Later, around the time Musk was working to acquire Twitter, he texted Altman that he was disturbed to see the company's new $20 billion valuation. De facto, I provided almost all the seed, A, and most of B round funding, he wrote, according to the disclosed text. This is a bait and switch. A few months after that interaction, Musk started an OpenAI competitor, XAI. Some of the messages published by OpenAI were previously outlined in court filings that Musk made in his ongoing suit against OpenAI and its partner Microsoft. The lawsuit filed by Musk in March alleges that OpenAI had strayed from its original nonprofit mission to develop AI for the public good. He withdrew it in June 2024 without explanation, then refiled in August 2024. President-elect Donald Trump has appointed former PayPal executive and Silicon Valley venture capitalist David Sacks as his AI and cryptocurrency czar. In this role, Sacks will oversee policy development for artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, two crucial areas for the future of American competitiveness. Trump made the announcement on his Truth Social platform late Thursday. The reason for Trump's appointment of David Sacks is straightforward. He has a close relationship with Elon Musk and is a friend of Musk's. This connection is expected to influence the administration's AI policies moving forward. Sacks, an associate of Tesla and SpaceX founder Elon Musk, will work closely with Musk, who has become a key advisor to Trump. Along with this appointment, Trump is expected to ease regulations in both the AI and crypto sectors. In other developments, Bitcoin surged past $100,000 for the first time in its 15-year history on Thursday. Musk has also been appointed to co-lead the new Department of Government Efficiency, which aims to reduce government bureaucracy. On the other hand, Sam Altman is hopeful that Musk, despite his newfound political power, will not misuse his influence against AI tech companies. Altman trusts that Musk will act responsibly and not exploit his position to harm the AI industry. Why he said so? Because Elon Musk has shown a clear desire to take control or influence the direction of AI companies and blockchain technologies through several strategic actions. Musk co-founded OpenAI, originally a nonprofit, with the aim of ensuring artificial intelligence was developed in a way that would benefit humanity. However, as OpenAI shifted to a for-profit model, Musk distanced himself, publicly expressing concerns about its direction. His lawsuit against OpenAI, claiming its transition to a for-profit entity is illegal, further underscores his intent to steer AI development. Musk has also been vocal about regulating AI, positioning himself as a key player in the debate about AI's ethical development and its control. Donald Trump's appointment of David Sacks as AI and cryptocurrency czar underscores his intent to influence these transformative technologies. With close ties to Elon Musk, Trump's regulatory easing and policy making could favor Musk's initiatives, aligning their mutual goals of decentralization and innovation. Musk's investments in blockchain and advocacy for ethical AI development position him as a key player in shaping future industries. However, this collaboration raises concerns about potential monopolistic tendencies, as both figures aim to dominate AI and blockchain markets. While promising innovation, this consolidation of power highlights the need for balanced governance to ensure ethical and equitable progress. Today, we're diving into a wild idea that could reshape the future of blockchain and Bitcoin. Imagine Elon Musk and Donald Trump joining forces to take control of the digital currency revolution. But there's a catch. They're using AI to make it all happen. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it might be closer to reality than you think. Trump's engagement with blockchain and Bitcoin has been more indirect but influential. As a former U.S. president, Trump has previously criticized cryptocurrencies, yet reports reveal his digital collectible NFTs, launched in 2022, generated significant revenue. These blockchain-based assets gain traction due to their AI-designed artwork and exclusivity, blending AI and blockchain technologies effectively. Together, Musk and Trump reflect a broader trend. Influential figures tapping into AI and blockchain's convergence to redefine financial systems and data integrity. Their actions highlight how blockchain's decentralized ledger and AI's predictive power can revolutionize industries, making these technologies central to the evolving global economy. So what does the future look like with Musk, Trump, and AI driving the blockchain revolution? It's clear that AI will play a huge role in shaping the future of cryptocurrencies, but with Musk and Trump at the helm, we could see massive shifts in how crypto is regulated, adopted, and integrated into our daily lives. Elon Musk's interest in Bitcoin and blockchain stems from both his advocacy for technological innovation and his strategic investments. Tesla and SpaceX collectively hold over $1.3 billion worth of Bitcoin as of 2024, with Tesla being one of the largest public holders of the cryptocurrency. This significant investment underscores Musk's belief in Bitcoin as a valuable digital asset. Musk also experimented with accepting Bitcoin for Tesla purchases in 2021, showcasing his commitment to integrating blockchain technology into mainstream industries, though this was later paused due to environmental concerns. Musk's enthusiasm for blockchain aligns with his broader vision for decentralization and innovation. He has openly discussed Bitcoin's potential to serve as a second-layer financial system and highlighted cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin for their practical usability. His advocacy for blockchain is complemented by his concerns about centralized financial systems, emphasizing the need for alternatives in addressing global challenges like inflation and the debt crisis. These initiatives not only reflect Musk's financial strategy, but also his commitment to pushing the boundaries of blockchain and cryptocurrency applications. The intersection of AI and blockchain holds transformative potential. Blockchain's transparency and security can address one of AI's biggest challenges: trust. By recording AI decisions on an immutable ledger, systems can become more accountable. Musk's vision likely includes using blockchain to verify AI outputs, ensuring ethical and unbiased decisions. Take decentralized finance. AI-powered analytics could optimize blockchain-based trading or lending platforms. Similarly, blockchain can secure sensitive AI training data, fostering collaboration without compromising privacy. Take decentralized finance. AI-powered analytics could optimize blockchain-based trading or lending platforms. Similarly, blockchain can secure sensitive AI training data, fostering collaboration without compromising privacy. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and X, formerly Twitter, is reportedly planning to venture into the cryptocurrency world. Speculation suggests that Musk's potential cryptocurrency could leverage his vast influence in technology and finance, aiming to redefine how digital currencies operate. Known for his pivotal role in popularizing Dogecoin and his vocal support for decentralized finance, Musk's move could shake up the crypto landscape. This new venture might integrate tightly with X, positioning the platform as a financial hub that combines social media with blockchain-based transactions. With Musk's penchant for innovation, the cryptocurrency could offer unique features like faster transaction speeds, eco-friendly mining practices, or direct application in Tesla and SpaceX ecosystems. However, challenges such as regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and competition from established cryptocurrencies loom. If successful, Musk's entry could spark a new wave of adoption and innovation in the crypto space. The convergence of AI and blockchain, driven by influential figures like Elon Musk and Donald Trump, marks a transformative era for technology and finance. Musk's strategic investments and advocacy for decentralization, coupled with Trump's regulatory easing, set the stage for rapid innovation in cryptocurrency and AI integration. This partnership could redefine financial systems, enhance trust through blockchain's transparency, and unlock AI's predictive power for decentralized finance. While opportunities abound, careful governance will be crucial to ensure ethical development. As AI and blockchain intertwine, their potential to revolutionize industries and reshape global economies becomes not just a possibility, but an inevitability.